Boys, to my video. Today we are going to open 3 packs. Then we are going to we have to get in 2 tries at least 100 rating on a foot draft. Here we go. First pack of the day. Oh yes, striker! Oh my god, Gomez! That's awesome. That's so good right now. Gomez. That's not even the best card here. Holy shit. Come on, another good card. Oh, Sake, bronze. Come on, be good, noob. Oh. It's the last pack here. Oh! 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 Okay, it's a little lost pack. This is going to be my 5th pack. Oh, Sake. Alright, first foot draft here. Here we go. Ooh, should I go David Costa? Damn it. Wait, let's find a different foot draft here. I want at least 2 strikers and 2. Right wing. Give Messi. Ronaldo. Let's go. Come on. Ooh. Also Costa. He will be very good. Okay, I am going to beat my thing, I hope. Dude. Wait, let's see who my best girl is. This will do me well, I hope. Yes, 91. Oh! Damn it.
Thank you, children. Welcome to the unveiling of our new school lunch purchasing plan, known as the Flex Plan. Students may spend up to 10 points per day in up to 4 of 7 categories. Unused points roll over week to week, but not month to month. Categories
Maybe this will help.
vegetables. One time occurrence, no cause for alarm. It's not funny. These movements are involuntary.
Ooh, Suarez. Oh, come on, I need better ratings. Well, this is the best I can do right now. Right. You know what? Let's go all Spain. No, let's go for chemistry right now. Chemistry. So let's go. Restart.
Who did this? Till I find out, no one is leaving this mixed-use auditorium. When I catch the culprit, and I will, I'm gonna throw this away. And use this instead. Mr. Skinner? I did it. And my office now.
Come on. Oh.
I don't know. I'll let you stop.
Well, remember this. Bart Simpson takes care of his friends. Come see me when you get out.
Congratulations. We did it. You're in. We finally have a man on the inside. We're going to put Bart Simpson away for a long, long time. By law, unless we can give him a 10-day suspension. Well, that's long for a kid. All our other attempts to get us clients out of Bart Simpson's operation have failed. Hooter, Ralph, Doug, the hip guidance counselor, he's never been the same since Bart got through with him. Your extracurriculars are going to need a lot of work if you want to get Vanderbilt. Should have given us Simpson kid. Where's the snitch? And this won't be easy, but pretend I'm a jerk. Young man, I'm going to be on you like a numerator on a denominator.
Take a ride. I have business to do.
Oh.
I've never seen blue lines before.
They're only sold in Europe. I know that.
Oh yeah, you can really taste the blue.
Check this out. Nah.
Oh, that's so cool.
There's a little hair of a dog for a mom.
Oh, thanks, Bart.
Now we're buddies. I can let you in on some of the cool scams we run at school.
Oh yeah, like what?
Bathroom passes, doctor's notes.
We can rig a cootie catcher so you can marry anybody you want. Oh shit! I'm in.
Bust out 4 of our finest chicks.
Oh my god, I am so close to 100 chem.
I just wanna say.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Well, guess what, guys? Whoever subscribes, likes, I will send to your FIFA thing. Put your YouTube channel if you have one, and your name of your thing, your FIFA thing, and I will send. One of you will get picked to have my personal best player. Let's go here. Let's let my cards pick my cards. This is not going to be hard for me to do. It's going to be easy. I'm kidding. I'm giving Flipper Asso, Toranko, this guy, or Suarez. This is who we're going to be giving away to my top subscriber and liker. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Au revoir.